basketball it's me again. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm here to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed, for the game that you love to play each and every day. Man, you want to get a little bit quicker? You want to get a little bit faster? You want to have that little quick twitch on your crossover? You want to have a little quick twitch when you jump and try to go lay it up? Well, I got some ladder drills here that I'm going to pretty much go through, which I didn't have time to do, but a friend of mine who played some basketball and is a pro volleyball player as well, which, as you would say, why do I need to see a volleyball player doing ladder drills? Well, all drills, when it comes to speed and agility, it all correlates to every sport. So it's pretty cool to also get a female to show you how it's really done. So this first one is just basically getting that right foot in and that right foot out, and that left foot's going to keep tapping, and that's going to keep that same motion of quick twitch on that. Okay, now you would do that with the opposite foot on the other side, obviously, and that is going to be a drill that you want to do 5 times each. Okay, so this is something you would do 5 times each, and again, all of these will help you. It's multi-directional, and it's just effective for you when it comes to basketball. Okay, so this next one is going to be 2 feet in, 2 feet out, but you're going to be on the side of the ladder. Okay, you can go right to left first. You got that 5 times, then left to right. Now, it seems like it is the same when it comes to doing these drills, but cognitively, it is going to mess with your brain differently when putting that left foot forward first or that right foot forward first. It's hard to really explain it to you when you're younger, but it helps when you get older. Okay, and all this follows. All this work is setting the foundation for you to be a better player later as well as now. Okay, the next one I got for you is going to be basically a kind of a shuffle in a way, and it's going to be the right foot in. Okay, when that right foot goes in, the left foot goes in, but doesn't come all the way out. Okay, so basically you're keeping that foot in the actual square, tapping, and then going back out. Okay, then when you go the other way, it's the right foot that's going to stay in, and then the left foot is going to be out. Okay, so don't bring that second foot out of the ladder. Okay, again, you will do this starting with the right going to the right side, and then you'll also start the drill going left. Okay, so that is again another drill you can do 5 and 5. Okay, just shuffle. We just call it a shuffle, a lateral shuffle or icky shuffle. Okay, now this one is a little bit of agility and a little bit of absorption, right? So you are going to basically, you're playing off 2, and you want to always be ready to be in a loaded position. So now you are putting both feet in and then both feet out, both feet in, both feet out, and then give me that explosion. You can sprint after, or you can just jump out of it and then go back. Okay, you can walk back to give yourself a rest. Go into some jumping now that those legs are all warmed up. That's right, some jump roping. Yeah, it's been a minute since we jumped rope, so I'm gonna get you on that jump rope and get those calves burning just a little bit. And then we're gonna work some quick feet with the agility again, and then a little bit of jumping is gonna help you too. So again, today's just an agility day, and we're gonna get right. Now I want you to find that box, okay, or that object that you're going to get your feet up on and do a run. Again, we're doing toe taps. We're getting those knees high. We're going to do them for 20 seconds. We got 3 sets of those. We're going to definitely do those. Then we're going to do our box jumps where we jump up and jump down, jump up and jump down. We got 3 sets of those for 20 seconds as well. And again, I really like those exercises just because it tires you out. And I like when you have to work hard when you're tired, because you have to show a little bit more discipline, because feet get heavy, legs get heavy, arms get heavy. So you really got to focus on the discipline of pushing through, not only to just get through the drill, but also to do it properly. So it's a mental toughness that comes with all the training. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and go broad jumps. I love the broad jumps. We'll get those in, landing on 2 feet, making sure we're swinging those arms, making sure we're absorbing the land and not just slamming hard into the ground. You don't need to hear your feet slam to let yourself know you did a hard and excessive broad jump that got a little bit of distance, okay? We're also going to do speed skaters. Okay, we haven't done that in a while here on the channel. Speed skaters are very important. I think it really works those glutes too when you get that hold in there. And then I really want to see us do POGO jumps. Okay, POGO jumps are very important. And then I also want to see our knee tuck jumps. Yeah, the agility is real today. The agility is real today. And then I want to get back to jump ropes after that. I need 400 of them. Yeah, not in a row though. Just always break it down in 100s when it comes to like each set. Just do 100. So definitely need to see that. And then last but not least, the drill that I always like to see is defense, baby. I love defense. Oh yeah. And that is a way of agility too. As much as we don't think it is very vital to our success. So sometimes we got to put that basketball down, accept the role of being a role player, and be really good at what we do. And sometimes defense is our bread and butter. You don't have to make a shot. You don't even have to attempt one. But you do have to stop somebody from scoring. And that's the beauty of defense, because you can change the game, the momentum, and the energy. So we are going to do it at the baseline, and you are going to go hash mark to hash mark, and then we're going to do key to key slides where you're touching that lane line back and forth right in the middle of the key, where the nitty gritty happens, where all the bigs are and where all the action is. That's what I love. Okay, how many sets are we doing it? You're doing 3 sets each. The baseline, you're facing one way and then you're turning the other way and getting that done. And then you're also going to do the key slides back and forth. And that is going to be 3 sets of 30 seconds, which is tough to do, but it's all a mindset, baby. And I need you to get through it. Basketball, I can't thank you enough for coming through as you always do. I hope this workout has helped you progress just a little bit. And remember, we have all these different things coming up. So you can check out these highlights right here to see that we have all different types of training coming up to show you as we continue to get through each day, trying to make not only you better, but everyone else too. So remember, there's competition out there, and that just leads me to saying what I always say to you, which you already know. And that is, remember, someone's always working. Are you?